underlying assumptions. For simplicity's sake, calculations of profit or loss do not include the impact of commissions, transaction fees, or taxes. You should discuss these with your brokerage firm in advance of making a transaction. Similarly, the discussions that follow assume the use of regular calls and puts, that is, contracts whose terms have not been adjusted due to an underlying stock split or any corporate actions such as special dividend, spin-off, merger, or acquisition. The examples also assume that all contract multipliers in the course represent 100 unadjusted shares. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.